A cluttered desk will distract you and keep you from creating. So I'm here to show you today how I decluttered my desk and organized it with just 4 simple items. Timothy here, and welcome to Fashionable Father. If so inclined, please subscribe and hit that like button. Today, we're going to be talking about my desk. Let's identify the problems that I have with my desk currently, and maybe you would too. Some of the paperwork I currently have at my desk probably could just go away and be filed, but some of it just needs to stay there. That paperwork I actually need to deal with. Like, I don't know, mail that I just got recently, or some things like dealing with taxes, or anything in the moment that you're dealing with, that stuff probably should stay. Now, as far as notebooks, I think notebooks should always be nearby. Now, I probably have too many here. I think they should be nearby so that you can take notes, so you can grab it on the way out of the door, or if you're just sitting watching TV, you can go grab the notebook and make a note. Good to have nearby, whether you're a writer or any kind of a creator, actually anybody, even if you think about it, if you're in business and you have an idea, you can go to your notebook, write it down really quick. So those I also feel like need to stay nearby as well. So as far as these cords and this hard drive, these I don't feel like I want to store away. Like, I'm right now using this hard drive always because I don't have enough space on this old Mac. So I plug in my phone every day to this cord as well. So I'm not gonna unplug that and put it in the desk or in the drawer. I don't want them sitting there just haphazardly, right? So as far as the last item, I had to cave and actually go to a store and grab it. The rest of the stuff I got online. But this, I didn't want to get online. I wanted to make sure I was getting the right thing. And so I'm gonna have to make the trek over to the store that they like to call a maze. It's, you know, it's a little daunting at times, but it's worth it. And you know, Arthur loves being in there. He gets a kick out of it. Let's head over there right now. Let's do this. What's up?
Hi!
Hi! We're here at IKEA. I tried not to. It just works perfect. It just works perfect. What you need. It's minimal, it's easy. So when you're in this place, you have to find shortcuts, or you're going to be in here for like 3 hours. You found it? Not bad. We're actually cooking with gas. Aren't we, buddy? I think we're going to go get some food. Never eaten at IKEA. This will be a first for me. All right, I'm back.
Hey, bye!
Yeah, we're back. That shelf from IKEA should work perfectly. It can be just put right above the screen, and it should get a bunch of stuff off the desk, right? Now, a next item that I got is this bad boy. This bad boy is a monitor stand. So what I was thinking is this is perfect, right? That should hide the hard drive and the cords. Not bad, right? All right, so the other item I found on Etsy, because you know, that's a bit of a rabbit hole if you ever go on there. I got these from Mod Shop Girl. So these are really minimal wall organizers. They're just, I mean, literally metal. And I have to admit, I searched up and down for something that I thought would look really good. And this is gonna match the mirror back there. It's got kind of that gold color. And it's just like really basic and minimal. One for me and one for the wife, so that when we have mail or anything like paperwork that we know we need to deal with, we can just put it in here. And I got one last item, which I will show you later after I get this all put together.
Wait, open it.
You wanna open it? we're done. Finally done with this bad boy. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the just a few things that I had to do to get stuff off of my desk, declutter it, free the brain, all that good stuff. Little sleeves that I got from Etsy, the wall organizers, I should say. They have dry erase on them. Also have these little magnets, which are also handy. You can throw a little note on there if you like. Ah, the little change thing. I got that on Etsy as well. And of course, we have the clock. It's engraved. A little something from the 90s gangster rap, C-Walk. The stapler, you know, I have the stapler because it's cool. I don't think I've used it in about 3 years. Oh, you're checking out that ancient Mac. That is a mid-2011 iMac. Yeah. I edit on that thing. I use proxies, and it's still really, really slow. I'll be honest, Mac looks really, really expensive. It doesn't seem to be offering a lot. Dare I say, I might have to move over to the PC world. Yeah, Adobe, which is what I'm editing with, is much faster on a PC. Yeah, so I love the desk. I think it looks fantastic. I think it's perfectly decluttered, and I think it's gonna help my workplace, my workflow. Fashionable Father, Timothy Sands. Go ahead and like, go ahead and subscribe. You'll thank me for it. All right, have a good day. Say subscribe.